Hello all, my name is Mel, and I am doing a review today of the Schlage Encore door lock. Got it at Christmas time. I think it's the best door lock I've ever had. I've had a few other Wi-Fi door locks and they were disasters. So let's find out what this is about. Here it is. That's the outside door. To get in, to unlock it, very simple. You get a code. You can put in a code for yourself, a code for your wife, a code for your kids, and it lets your phone know that it's been used so you can tell when your kids have come home. But it's real simple to work. For example, to unlock it, you just put in a code. And it unlocks. And don't be thinking that you're going to be getting into my house this way, because I'm deleting this code as soon as I'm done. Bada boom, bada bing. To lock it, just that simple. And it works on AA batteries. And I've had this since Christmas. This is the door I always go in and out. And the batteries are about 70%. So the batteries last a long time. And of course, if worst comes to worst, it does have a key lock. Now this was real simple to put in. This took me about a half an hour. Now, there's a whole bunch of other neat features to it, which I'll show you. No, I almost forgot. Say you're out shopping or something, and somebody is at your house and you need to let them in. Normally they'd have to wait until you get home. Right here you have the Schlage app on your phone, and you can voila, it's unlocked. You can unlock it from anywhere in the world. So if you have somebody watching your house while you're on vacation or something, and you can also lock it. And voila. But there's also some other neat features, which I'll show you as soon as I unlock it. So, I have this connected to my Alexas. I have Alexas all over the house. Say you're upstairs in bed. Oops, did I forget to lock the door? Alexa, is the back door locked?
Checking. Hang on. The back door is unlocked.
Back door is unlocked. Alexa, lock the back door.
Locking. Hang on.
Voila.
Door is locked.
Now another neat thing is, say you're sitting on the couch and somebody comes to visit, and well, you would normally have to get up yourself up off the couch to unlock the door. With Alexa, you don't have that problem. Alexa, unlock the back door.
What's your voice code for back door?
3131.
What's your voice code for back door?
3131.
I'm sorry. I couldn't understand that.
I'm too far away from Alexa. Alexa, unlock the back door.
What's your voice code for back door?
3131.
Unlocking. Hang on.
Ta-da!
The back door is unlocked.
Ba-boom. Alexa, lock the back door. I'm too far away from Alexa. Alexa, lock the back door.
Locking. Working. Hang on.
Batteries are real easy to change. This, well, you need both hands. One hand's full, but you just pop this up, change the batteries, pop the cover back in, and there you have it. This is and it's the best friggin' door lock I've ever seen. So there you have it, my review of the Schlage Encore door lock. You want this.